Hello, loves. You have reached the Oracle of the Feather Crown Tree. This is the Wednesday solar chakra reading. These are just little micro readings for a chakra each day. We will have 3 cards for this one from 3 different decks, and our question for this is: how can self-respect and self-compassion make me aware that I am the master of my universe? From the Earth Oracle, or the Earth Warriors Oracle, we have Aloha Ke Akua, blessings of the Supreme Being. A blessing is coming to you now. Things do not need to be complicated. When you are confusing yourself with too many variables, too much information, or fear and doubt, focus on filling your heart with love and let everything else go. The Great One will handle all matters in your life if you open your heart to divine guidance and let go with faith. This will not make you passive. Rather, it will allow you to feel inspired, to take only the most helpful actions. This oracle indicates an answered prayer and that the Divine One has you covered in a situation of concern to you. You are healing and deepening your relationship with the divine. You have an empowered and open heart that is capable of receiving divine presence. This is a sacred gift that must be protected. Protect the temple of your heart from becoming clouded by fear or lack of forgiveness. The purity and strength of your heart flows from your loving relationship with the Supreme Being, whatever your image of that may be. Allow yourself to trust unconditionally in your divine relationship, and your affairs will work out beautifully. There is a purpose for which you were born. Time and events shall converge to bring you to all that you need for fulfillment of this purpose. You shall gain all the benefit and be protected from derailment as you deepen your heart connection to the Supreme Being, who is love. Cast aside anger, fear, disappointment, and judgment. If you feel hesitant to trust because of certain ideas or past experiences, talk to the Great One about those things and ask to be shown how to find the peace and understanding that helps you become open to intimacy with the divine. If you have to break through some barriers of mind and heart to love the divine more fully, ask for help in doing so boldly. Acknowledge the divinity of the hand that works through yours. Do not lay false claim to the wonders that will flow, as that would simply scare your mind and close your heart as it wonders how it could ever do it again. Instead, revel in the feelings of the safety, strength, and tenderness that fill your soul when you allow yourself to pay due reverence to the Great Beloved. To help this message along, we will take one from the Inner Earth Cities from the Crystal Grid Oracle. And we have love. The Rose Quartz Generator. This is the stone of love. It is a gentle stone, but a very powerful one. You may have drawn this card because you need some love, or looking for love, or love has found you. Rose quartz may be asking you to look inside yourself. It is a time to let go of hurt and draw love to you. It has a subtle color that teaches us to also be subtle when seeking love and to be gentle on ourselves. You will not find the true love you are searching for if you do not wholly love the person you are on the inside. Rose quartz is a powerful stone to use when gridding, creating a loving, harmonious environment with it, and carry a peace with you to bring peace and love to your person. Just by creating this loving environment in your home You're also giving yourself love. Choose more ways to give yourself this love and honor the beautiful person you are. And you will find you will attract people into your life who also reflect your own beauty. Be mindful that when you are truly yourself, you will find that special someone who will love you for you, who will love the person you had hiding from view. When you create the image of what you think people will want, you create a false you and will attract someone who falls in love with the false reality. As we grow, we reveal more of our true selves. Let people fall in love with your true self, and the quality of your friendships and partners will mirror this beauty. And one more additional message from our soul chakra. We will use the blue Messiah cards. And we have meditation today. Meditation is being still in the mind while at the same time exploring the expansive universe within, a Kuru. You have drawn this card because your soul understands the need to detach from the outside world and connect within. Connecting to the light of truth within you may not be easy. Being still and emptying your mind from noise and mental chatter is not only challenging, but also confronting. You may experience feelings of failure or of not being good enough when attempts to meditate don't go as planned. Dear one, the best form of meditation is to simply be, being present in the moment and witnessing the magic of life all around you. Gratitude raises your vibrational energy and naturally opens gateways within you for visionary experiences. When you try too hard to meditate, however, there is often resistance. Surrendering to the moment and releasing the struggle, you connect to Source. Connecting through this space of gratitude and love, you are better able to find the truth within you. The more you embrace this internal guidance, the more you remember your divine light and purpose. By reconnecting, grounding, and balancing your energy, you fuel your body with energy to move forward. An affirmation: I allow silence to calm my mind and enable my soul to see the multitude of leaves that make up the forest. And that concludes this daily micro chakra reading. Thank you for joining me. Please join again if you wish to, and I send you many blessings.